Y'all, we gonna sway like on the same beat. Come on, y'all. Okay, yeah, y'all feeling it? Come on, y'all get into it. When that beat drop, though, when I say 1, 2, 3, it's gonna drop and you just pick up the tempo, all right? Come on, y'all. Come on, come on, come on. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Hey, hey, come on. Hey, so, yeah, what? Come on. Y'all doing it? Oh, yeah, come on. Hey. Whoa. I like that, y'all. Come on. I swear. I serve. Hey. Yeah. All right, y'all. That's cool. I just wanted y'all to do that. That's all. Right? Check this out. Tell me something. What was you thinking? Just one or two people. Just give me some feedback. What was you thinking when you was doing that? Give me one. You.
I was just having fun.
You was having fun?
Yeah.
How about you?
I just felt like I was at camp.
You was like, they do that at camp? Where they spots at that camp? Oh man, that's crazy. Hey, I don't even know. Hey, I did that right because when you going through something, right, and if you feeling down or whatever the case may be, like, and you put some music on, it just changes the way how you feel. It changes your character. It changes. You just forget about everything.